Now we're putting in some really cold air at the moment. Scandinavia or Northern Europe moves over relatively warm seas. That makes it unstable, picks up some moisture as it falls back over the lands, while something that's coming from the sky is more likely to be wintry rather than watery, and as it hits the surface it will turn quite readily to ice. The basic pattern across northern and eastern parts has been well set, but what was new into the mix, as you've seen from the news, was that area across Wales, now down into the southwest of England, and we have a number of weather warnings out for tonight and indeed the first part of Saturday for either snow or ice or a combination of the two. The stuff that you saw across Wales, perhaps in the national news, now working its way down towards the south coast. There's a swirl out towards the Wash, pulling stuff in towards Suffolk and Norfolk, and a further belt of snow will move across the southern part of Scotland. We haven't seen much in southwestern Scotland, but I suspect you will do over the next few hours or so. So as we start off the new day on Saturday, further intense snowfall to be had across northern and eastern Scotland, almost a way of life now, I'm sure. And then right down the eastern side of the Pennines, in the first half of the day, further snow showers and the risk of ice on untreated roads. And notice it's not just a coastal effect. Some of those showers will be moving quite well inland. Along the south coast, we have another area of low pressure, still churning away in the Western Channel, always likely to be pushing belts of weather in towards the southern part of Devon, towards South Dorset, towards South Hampshire. Now once we get a little bit further north across the Bristol Channel, well, there'll be a problem with ice, that's for sure, across Wales, but a drier prospect here. And in the first part of the day I'm expecting to see the snowfall across the eastern side of Northern Ireland, something slightly drier but not particularly warm, I'm afraid, across the western side of Northern Ireland. Now, if you haven't had a mention so far, there's a chance that you will just get away with a decent day, a crisp one for sure, but there will be some sunshine and dry weather for northern parts of Wales across the northwest of England. But whether you see the sunshine, whether you don't, really does nothing for the temperatures at all. Now, having soared away to the lofty heights of 1 or 2 degrees, you can well believe that as we move into the night between Saturday and Sunday, yes, there will be a hard and widespread frost there, and some freezing fog patches. My major concern about Sunday is the number of isobars there, strong winds driving further snow into the northeast of England and into eastern and central parts of